Hey Henna Guys Fam, today we've got a video talking about our Katha Powder Hair Mask. Katha is a nutrient-dense product that treats the roots and scalp, giving it the nourishment and moisture it needs. These results can be seen with regular usage of the Katha Powder Mask. So let's get to mixing. First off, we need a non-metallic bowl. We're using a glass bowl. Then you will need to measure out the Katha powder. We recommend something similar to that of henna for the measurement amount. Full measurements will be provided in the description box. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the entire packet. Once you have the Katha powder poured into the bowl, you can begin to add in your liquid. You will want to gradually add in the water and stir after each addition. We're looking for a smooth, batter-like texture. While we're stirring, let's talk about the benefits of using the Katha Powder Hair Mask. Katha powder can help to enhance the color and can assist in strengthening of the hair. It can also help to add shine and condition naturally. Katha can also help to boost the volume and thickness of your hair. You can see these benefits with regular usage of the Katha Powder Hair Mask. Katha powder can also be added directly to your henna mixture to help deepen the color naturally. We've been stirring for several minutes and you can see that the Katha Powder Hair Mask has a smooth cake batter texture. You will want to let the mask sit for about 10 minutes before applying it to your hair. When applying, you will want to start from the roots and work your way down to the ends. Ensure that each strand is covered. You can use your fingers to massage the mask into your hair and scalp. Once the application is finished, you will want to leave the Katha Powder Hair Mask on your scalp for about 30 minutes. Then you will want to rinse with warm water and a mild shampoo. For best results, repeat once to twice weekly. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.